How to log out from your Xdesign account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Xdesign account. If you are logged into your Xdesign account in any of the platform or devices, you'll be able to log out from it. For that, you'll need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in x-design.com. Once you've entered this URL, press on enter to search for it, and within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Xdesign. If you are logged into your account, you'll be able to see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you locate it, move your cursor to your profile picture and then a pop-up will appear. Here you'll be able to locate the logout option. Now simply click on this logout and then you will be logged out from your Xdesign account. Now in the future, if you want to log in back to your account, you'll again need to click on the Get Started button on the top right, and then you will need to select your Google account or enter your email in order to log in to your Xdesign account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.